Achieve this sliding text animation in under 60 seconds. Add a text plus to your timeline and adjust the text to whatever you want. I'll go to the Fusion page. I would right click in this text box and select follower. Go to modifiers, shading, and then scroll down to position offset X and Y and add a keyframe. Come back to follower, double click it, adjust the Y to minus 0.5 and then go to the opacity and reduce it to 0. Mind you, I added this keyframe on frame 0. I would go to maybe the 30th frame and then increase the opacity to 1. The keyframe will be added automatically and then change this to 0. You're not done. After this, you go to timing, order and select left to right and change the delay to either 2.5, whatever suits you. I would put mine at 2.5 and this is the final result. Follow for more editing tips.